One more great game against Barcelona tomorrow night. What have you to do in order to get that win?
I'm going to do the same thing, stay together as a team, play hard, and just show up for the game. Like I keep saying, we have a lot of stuff going on this team, and we're playing good as a team right now, and a lot of heart. I think we can just show up the same way and just modify a couple of mistakes that we made. I think we have a good chance.
James says that tomorrow is a game, that if you are able to win tomorrow, perfect, because I believe 5 game in Barcelona would be very difficult.
Yeah, I mean, true. Against a great team like Barcelona, you don't want to go to a 5th game if you have a chance to close it out here. Obviously, it's better for us to close it out with our fans and at home, everything will be easier to do, but I think it's going to be tough, but we just got to go with the mindset that it's do or die.
You had a great role guarding all the players of Barcelona here yesterday night. Are you ready to do that one more time?
I'm always ready to play. I'm going to show up and give 100% every time, but I think it's more of a team. It's a team thing. If everybody's ready to play, it's going to be easier on everybody. It's not just going to be on me. It's going to be on everybody to show up and do the job.
Now, against the zone defense, are you going to be ready?
I think last time it was more of a surprise. I mean, Barcelona got a great starting point and great coaching staff. I think they did a great job this time trying to surprise us. We haven't really played against zone this year, so it took a little time to adjust to it. But we also have a great coaching staff, and I think they're gonna do a great job of making us understanding what we're supposed to do to beat it.
The team some hidden cards still, or you know each other very well and there's no secret?
I mean, it's the last 2 games. We know all the players. We know starting point. We know all players' habits. But I mean, you can take Barcelona out of the equation. I mean, they're a very, very, very good team. They are very, very talented, especially offensively. No, I won't say we know each other. I think we just going on the fact that we just been around each other for a couple of days now, and the best team who's going the best team's going to win.
Stefan, a final one, if you please. What do you enjoy more, to receive the ball from Mitchell and make the play of the night, or to play defense with him?
Everything, man. I mean, I just enjoy the game. I just want to be out there with my guys. You know, obviously getting a pass from Dimitri is always a blessing. He's a great passer, and I expect it. I mean, I want it every time.
Do you think they are missing too much Big Michael?
I think he's a big part of the team. Obviously, if we lost anybody on the team, we'll miss them too. But they have so many talented players. I think they make up for it. I won't say that without Big Michael, they're a terrible team. He's big for them, but they're still the same team. They're still strong, and I guess they're a contender for the EuroLeague championship.